Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This video is for how to customize RS3M 2020 Rubik's Cube, which is really good, and it has some problems, which is spring noise, and we are going to modify that, and the tensions also, and all the tensions should be equal. Done. I'm going to remove all the springs, and yeah, so after removing all these springs, I am just going to take an oil and dip them in. So I'm taking this oil in a plate, only a bit, and just taking a spring and dipping it in. Alright, you can see it here, I think so. Yeah. So we have to do this to all the springs and put them correctly in the places. You can also do this to the screw, because the screw should go smoothly in this, which is our core. So white's done. I'm fixing it, and I'll be back after doing the same to all the pieces. Alright, so the core is half fully done, but you need to remember one thing: put the center pieces in the correct places, because if you don't, then all our work would be gone waste. So I'll show it once more. Just take the oil, rub it on the screw because it should function smoothly, and then take a spring, only one, and after that you need to just dip it in the oil like this, and other side too, and after that you need to put it in one centerpiece just like that, and then the spring through the hole like that, and then position the yellow piece opposite to white centerpiece. I think that you should know it, and if you don't know it, I will be going to show it right now. Alright, so guys, my whole core is done, but this is too oily right now, so I'm going to clean it with paper or a cloth. I recommend using paper. But remember one thing, I'm going to show the core. So white should be there, and if blue side, to right side to the blue should be red, then green, then orange, and red, orange should be opposite. Yellow should be opposite to white, blue should be opposite to green. Yeah, so now we can just clean it, and I'll be back. Alright, for cleaning the core, I have taken a tissue paper, not a cloth, because cloth may get dirty, and I'm just cleaning it, just rubbing it. I'll be back after cleaning. Alright, and the next step is to clean all these pieces, but I have already cleaned it. But I will recommend to clean it with a earbud. I cleaned it with the earbud only, and yep, because we have to just clean these tracks like you can see with the earbuds, and even the dust may get stick right here, so earbud helps a lot. And now assembling time. Alright, so for assembling, actually I would first do the first layer. This layer would be my white blue corner edge, so I would just slow this in fast motion. Alright guys, so a cube assembly is done right now, but we have to fix the tensions, and yeah, for that we need this Mojo screwdriver, and screwdrivers inside this accessory box. And inside the accessory box there is one more thing which is really important for us, and that is tensioning too. So you'll see that there are two tools like this. The one which has a cap like this is our tool, and this is an extra necessary. I mean, this is not necessary, but just extra. And first what I'm gonna do is just gonna check by rotating a bit that it's tight or not. So it's I recommend personally it should be with the level of this blue device, and that's the perfect setting of the screw, and I'll be doing it right now, because while assembling the cube I didn't do it much perfectly, and I just put it to assemble the cube first, and yeah, it's done. So oh my god, this screw has oil on it because while putting oil on the spring it got stuck. I'll clean it. Alright, so now this is cleaned, and now we are just going to test it. I personally don't know what happens if we rotate this 1 or 2 times, but I still know that this works fine. If you want to customize more, you can just take this device, plug it in, and just try it, but it will not rotate clockwise. It should rotate anti-clockwise. And after rotating, we will see there's a big click, and when the big click occurs, it means that, actually I don't know, but I'll try to find it out. Wait, let me just do it to all center pieces. Alright, it's done. Oh my god. Personally, I think, yeah, that's a bit tight than before. I think personally, with turning it tells that it's super. Yeah, wait a second. This is the highest setting right now. After one move there will be a big click. I'm not gonna do it now. Yeah, so do it to all center pieces, and the yellow one. Alright. Oh my god, this is the tightest setting while turning I have felt, and the corner cutting is nice, but this cube is now too much tight. So I would personally recommend the big click one. After the big click, just rotate it anti-clockwise 5 times. I mean, wait, I'll show you. So big click, and then 2, 3, 4, 5. That's the perfect one. So yep, and that's my favorite one. Not too tight, not too loose. Big click, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Big click, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Big click, 1. Wait a second. 5. Big click. And then white. Big click, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, it's done. Yeah, that's the perfect setting I'll be using. this cube works really fine right now. And let me just put on the center caps, and yeah, the cube is super clean. Alright, and the center caps are really important. Don't open them too much because it will be loose then. Alright, this works really fine. It's a bit different than before because earlier it was lubed and I cleaned the pieces and all. But yeah, now it is super nice. And of course, if you don't have RS3M, then also you can do the same setup on the other cube. But yeah, remember one thing, that in RS3M, it is different than GAN. So please don't follow the same steps in GAN. Please don't do it like that. It is completely different. Alright, I hope that this video helped you and your cube is clean and fine fit right now. Thank you for watching. Hit the like button.